Hi student, today in the lesson federalism, our topic which is going on, how is federalism practice, where uh, we are starting the semi topic of the main topic is the center state relation. That is very important topic and all of you should listen it very carefully. Actually, federalism exists between the true relation between the center and the state government, and it will depend over the state government and the central government and their representative. How do they carry their relation between them? If they carry their relation with each other very harmoniously, then it will maintain the good federalism system. Otherwise, if they have the bitterness, if they have the lots of rivalries, so this kind of the trend will not lead the good or successful federalism in the country. So have a look in this topic. In the first, the center state relation. Center state relation, how do they strengthen the Indian federalism system, and what was the weak point in the center state relation in the Indian federalism system? In the first, I want to tell that the condition before 1990. Actually, what was the condition? Same party ruled in center and state level. So this condition lead the problem. What was the result of this condition? The state government had to work according to the mother party, and second problem is that state government did not enjoy more autonomous power. Means the state government which was run by the same party as the same party ruling in the central level. So in such a way, the state government have to show their loyalty towards the party. In such a way, the state development was missing. And second situation which was also seen, the different party ruled in state than the central government. So what was the condition? What was the result of this condition? State government had to face many of difficulties. As you have seen, the relation between the central government and the Delhi government. As you have seen, as the work which has been done by the Arvind Kejriwal, mostly the central government made the many of the hurdles, many of the obstacles in front of the state government, and development was hindered. So what was the condition? The development was hindered, or many of the times it has been seen the state governments facing the many of the obstacles which was made by the central government. and even many of the times it has been seen the central government misuses the constitutional powers, and many of the time it has been seen that the state government was suspended or state government was dissolved by the central government. It was the misusing of the power of the central government. Even this power was suspended by the Supreme Court, and in such a way the central government and its powers which was used to suspend the government on the arbitrary manner was lost forever. So it was a good decision by the Supreme Court of India that made the state government very powerful than of the central government. Means state government have some right, have some subject which has been given in the state list, which should be taken by only the which should be discussed by the state government only, not the central government hindered. And second condition which was seen after the 1990 condition after 1990. So what condition which was seen? Because this condition made the Indian federal system very weak, but some changes was seen after 1990. And what was these changes? We can see these changes in the two terms. Number one is coalition government, and second is alliance. So student, I want to tell what is a coalition government. When a single party do not gain the majority, do not prove the majority in such a way that a single party take the support of the various regional parties, various state parties, various national party also, and make a groups. This groups is known as a coalition government. But all these conditions has been seen after the election. After this is a condition about the coalition government, and in some cases when any single party do not getting the majority and that party is believing itself, so in such a way before the election these parties come together and form a group, and this group is known as a alliance. You heard the two groups UPA and NDA. This is the powerful group. This has made the